Right now we are going to take the subway, and so my mom will show us how to take the subway. You need to buy a card, and then that's it. And there's also another concept called a dollar cab. Yeah. But it's literally $3 now, but it used to be $1. But now it's $3. And how it work? Dollar cab?
Just take you to wherever you want to go.
Anywhere?
No, not anywhere.
Alright, so there are
the
specific
direction.
routes.
Yes.
There are specific routes. Okay. It's been so long since I've had patty, but this is what aki patty. Ah. Girl.
Alright, later. Bye.
That's how you know where you're going. Okay, read that and follow the letters.
Here in the machine, there are different numbers which represent the different types of money you can use. For coins, you can only put in $1, 10 cents, 25 cents, and 5 cents. And for bills or paper money, you can put in $50, $20, $10, $5, and a $1.
Here we go.
You choose English.
English?
Yes.
Yes. Metro card.
So the Metro card.
New.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to put the name on the card. Okay, regular. It's expensive. Maybe for $5.
Another 2, 7, 5. Come on, 5.
So that's one ticket.
Yes.
Enter. Please re-enter. It's an invalid amount. It means you can't enter 375. Seated is 550 is the minimum.
Alright. Okay.
Cash.
As you've just seen, there are two ways to select the price of your ticket. The first way is by selecting from the list of prices available, and the second option is by entering the specific amount that you want. However, based on my understanding, if you're going to enter a specific amount, then I suppose it has to be either 50 cents or a complete dollar, meaning $5 or $5.50. And finally, once you've selected the ticket, then you'll have three options of paying. The first is by cash, or by ATM card, or by a credit card.
Alright, that's it. Alright. Take your change and receipt, yeah? You notice I'm in a different outfit because we didn't bother traveling the same day, so we changed the day. But the intention is the same, which is to take the train. The E? Which one? This? This? So we are here, and just like in Paris, you read, and you know where you're coming off. Okay. But here we are again, my mom doing this vlog. Say hello.
Hello everyone. We're on the E train to World Trade Center.
World Trade Center? Okay, so we're going to the World Trade Center. Okay, that's nice. Yeah.